So before we get this day started, we have to make sure we prep our meals, guys. This is one of the most important things to losing weight or gaining weight. All right, you got to make sure you stay on top of the meals. If you're not on top of your meals, you're already behind. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to today's video, today's vlog. If you're new to the channel, my name is Lane Jackson. Thank you so much for tuning in, guys. All right, so if you enjoy the content, before you leave, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. Also hit that thumbs up button because we need those likes. All right, so this morning, guys, got up, did fasted cardio for 45 minutes, came home, and I had meal number one, aka breakfast, which consists of 7 egg whites, 1 whole egg, and then I had 2 waffles. Yes, 2 waffles, which gave me 44 grams of carbs, guys. And honestly, guys, I've been playing with adding waffles in my diet the past, I would say 3 weeks, going on 4 weeks now, and they don't bother me. So I'm just playing with different foods to see if I can eat foods I like while I'm cutting. And I'm cutting, I'm losing weight, I'm leaning out, and I'm still able to enjoy some of the foods that I like. All right, so I use 2 waffles, which gives me 44 grams of carbs, guys, which is not bad at all because 3 of my meals, yeah, 3 or 4, 3 of my meals consist of around 40 to 50 grams of carbs, so I was able to fit those in with breakfast. I don't recommend doing that right away. If this is your first time learning your body, first time dieting, I highly recommend sticking to clean carb sources like potatoes for breakfast, oatmeal for breakfast, grits, sometimes even rice, guys, wheat toast, stuff like that. Very clean carbs. That way you can learn your body, all right? So, had 2 waffles. With the waffles though, I just use a little bit of butter and cinnamon, guys. Now occasionally I'll put some honey on there, but we're trying to keep the sugar very, very low. So just a little bit of butter and cinnamon. And actually these waffles have like a vanilla flavor, so it's actually pretty good. So I feel great, get ready to have meal number 2. And then it's time to go to the gym, train legs, all right? right, y'all, so workout complete. Just finished a great leg workout, guys. I did probably about 6 or 7 sets on squats, and then I did 5 sets on leg press, and pretty much after that my legs was done, guys. But my main goal today was to get some solid lifts in with squats. I definitely want to get some squats in today, so we accomplished that mission. And then after that I did 45 minutes of cardio on the Stairmaster, which was brutal. So I'm pretty much done for the day, guys. I will say though, I like training legs in the morning because it boosts my metabolism for the day, guys, making it so easy for me to get those meals in. So one thing you guys can try is try training in the morning. You know, get up, maybe eat breakfast, wait about an hour or two, go work out. Make sure you work out with a lot of intensity, and you'll notice your metabolism for the day will just be burning, and you'll be hungry every 2 to 3 hours, which is really good because it helps get those meals in. All right, after the workout I did have 2 scoops of protein powder with 1 scoop of glutamine, using this brand new protein from MuscleTech. I can't show you guys the full label right now because it's not even out on the market. They sent it to me about 3 weeks ago. I've been using, they actually have a line coming out. They sent me all the products to this new line. I've been using it for about 3 weeks, and I will show you guys when we're allowed to post, which is next month. All right, but I will say this protein tastes phenomenal. Probably the best tasting protein I ever had, hands down, and I definitely love it, and I can't wait to try the flavors. So we're gonna head to the house. We're actually gonna have meal number 4, which is gonna be roughly around 5 ounces of chicken and a couple of jasmine rice. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and wrap this video up, guys, this vlog. Not really much went on today, honestly, guys. I did go fishing, and I left my chest harness to the GoPro at the fire department. I was gonna bring you guys along until I realized I left my chest harness. So I will bring you guys on the next fishing adventure. I did not catch anything, so you guys didn't miss out on anything. But it's getting warm here, and my goal is to try to catch something this summer. And I'm not gonna eat it, I'm gonna throw it back. But last summer, I didn't catch a single thing, guys. So again, today was just one of those days, just another day, man, another day. Another day of putting in work, another day of meal prepping, another day of just staying true to the diet. You know, a lot of people don't understand this is what it takes. It takes doing the same thing. It takes being consistent with your training, your dieting, guys, to achieve your fitness goals, period. And I show you guys these videos, and I show you, you know, progress pics and transformations because I want you to see the process, you know, because for me, when you watch people's videos and you see how their body changed and you watch their whole journey, you'd be like, man, that could have been me. There's a couple of YouTubers I watch, and I watch their transformations, and it's like, man, I followed you from the very first video you dropped to the last video, and I could have jumped on the same boat and transformed my body. So that's why I show you guys, you know, meal prepping. I show you the same breakfast. I show you the training. Yes, the training may be, you know, repetitive, but that's what it is sometimes. But we're gonna go ahead and close out this video. One more thing, guys, if you're watching this video right now and you're still tuned in, then you're in luck, guys, because you guys have first dibs and you have the first info on the giveaway that I'll be doing, the supplement giveaway from MuscleTech and myself, using products out of my personal stash, guys. All right, this will be my 3rd giveaway, and I'm gonna make the giveaway from May 1st to May 31st. I'm gonna make it public on Instagram May 1st, but if you're watching this video right now, you guys have the upper hand, all right? So thank you so much for tuning in. I feel like you guys deserve it because you support the channel. You always checking in. To enter this giveaway, guys, all you have to do is make sure you're subscribed to this channel, follow me on my Instagram, and you're gonna need to follow me on Instagram because that's how I do the giveaway. How the giveaway works, all you have to do is hashtag any motivational picture, video, anything that deals with just motivating people, inspiring people with Lane Jackson Fitness, all right? Hashtag your pictures, videos with that, and what I'll do is go in that hashtag pool and I will select the winner from there, all right? You have an opportunity to win all these products right here from MuscleTech out of my personal stash, guys, shipped directly to your door at no cost, all right? This is probably about close to $300 worth of products, and I know how it can be sometimes trying to stay up on your supplements. So you're gonna get 3 tubs of protein powder, you're gonna get some BCAA, some creatine, and you're gonna get some L-carnitine, guys. You cannot beat that, all right? So make sure you start tagging your pictures and your videos right now on Instagram, Lane Jackson Fitness. Tune in, guys. May 31st or June 1st, I will be announcing the winner on Instagram. But I want to give you guys the upper hand because you guys have been supporting the channel so much, and I appreciate each and every one of you guys. and I think it's nothing but right to give you guys a head start in the giveaway, all right? So until next time, y'all, peace.